Hi, I'm going to go through a very quick introduction to nonviolent communication. I think this is kind of where we all begin in life energy. And the heart represents the body, born as a body. Develop awareness. And then thinking. So in nonviolent communication, this life awareness, this life energy is needs. They motivate us to do everything that we do. Whether we run away from danger or we embrace a loved one, all of our actions are motivated by our universal basic needs, which you can find many lists online. Okay, so this represents for me the met needs. Needs are met, thinking is clear, and usually smiling. Okay, but we also have this other part. Oops, see, I've already messed it up. I'm not a pessimist anymore. I'm an optimist. But before I was an optimist, I had a lot of dark thoughts and a lot of feelings and a lot of unmet needs. So anyway, we can change so much about our lives by how we think. And we can also change how we relate to people when we realize that at the level of thought, we can have connection. Usually when we're jiving, we're sharing thoughts, or we can have conflict where our thoughts are not in alignment, our thoughts or beliefs. And the key that Marshall Rosenberg taught us was, end this living only in our heads thing and just move down to relating at the level of feelings, bodily sensations, and needs. And what he discovered is that when we relate at the level of feelings and needs, we only have connection. Basically, I'm the only one. I'm the author of my feelings and my needs. Only I know what they are. And so there's already a built-in respect at this level because of the inability to really tell what somebody else is feeling for real and what it is that they are longing for. So that's one thing. And we relate better at this level because we can see each other. We all have the same feelings. We all have the same needs. We can understand each other at this level where we might not understand each other at the thinking and belief level because there's so much history, right? There's a lot of history here. It's actually how these negative clouds develop is from all the input and all the experiences that we've had that make them feel like they're the only reality, or make us think like that's the only reality. And it certainly does feel that way, especially when we don't know about feelings and needs. And I like to put this dark cloud even lower because that was my experience. I was so full of fear and past experiences that I was projecting that out onto my loved one. And Marshall Rosenberg gave us a wonderful term for that, which is enemy image. So if you would like to move away from relating to people up here and through enemy images and learn more about what connects us and universal human needs, I suggest you check out some learning. Thank you.